सीक्रेट्स ऑफ मार्केट इवेंट्स नो वन विल टेल यू। आपदा में अवसर ढूंढे। वाह, क्या बात है। Hello, my amazing friends. I am your host Mansi and welcome to my podcast, The Market Pulse. Today's topic is so exciting, so electrifying that you will be jumping out of your seats. We are diving into the magic of market events, how these events scare us, but with a little smart thinking, they can turn into golden opportunities. So buckle up and let's embark on this thrilling journey together. The dance of markets and events. Friends, you've seen it. Every few months, some big news hits us. COVID, wars, tariffs, elections, our hearts start racing. We think, oh no, what's going to happen? Are my investments doomed? The market's crashing. Oh no, hi Ray. But hold on. I'm going to share a secret with you. These scary events can be your biggest opportunities. How? Today I'll break it down step by step, showing you how to understand events and win in the markets. I have learned these lessons through my own journey and I'm super excited to share them with you. I want you to walk away from this podcast not just inspired, but ready to turn every market pulse into a chance to shine. Let's get started. Number 1. Markets discount events early. Friends, markets are super smart. When an event is coming, like a new policy, geopolitical tension, or an election, the market starts discounting it way before the news hits your TV screen. What does that mean? By the time the news breaks, 80-90% of its impact is already baked into the prices. My story. I remember 2020 when COVID news started spreading. Back in December 2019, we heard about cases in China. I thought, oh, it's just a China thing, it won't reach India. But by January-February, fear took over. I panicked and sold some stocks. Big mistake. Later I realized the market had already discounted COVID. March 2020 when the market crashed was actually the best time to buy. साला अपन को समझाइच नहीं था वो टाइम. If I had bought instead of selling, my portfolio would have doubled by now. Example. Think of the 2024 US tariffs. Donald Trump had been talking about tariffs since the elections. The market started discounting it from December 2024. When the announcement came in April 2025, the market dipped for a day and then what? It bounced back. Those who were prepared made a killing. Lesson. Don't panic when news breaks. The market is smarter than you think. It prices in news early. The real opportunity is when the news is still a rumor, not confirmed. Number 2. Know the difference between macro and micro events. Events come in two flavors. Macro, big ones like COVID, Russia-Ukraine war or Gulf War. These used to impact markets for months, but now they're discounted in weeks. Micro events like a Brexit, a trade policy change, or minor geopolitical tensions. Their impact lasts just hours or days. A story I heard. A friend told me about Brexit in 2016. He panicked and sold all his European stocks when the announcement came. Guess what? The market started recovering the next day. Why? Because Brexit was in the news for a year. The market had already priced it in. Lesson. For macro events, be patient. Buy when the market hits rock bottom. For micro events, act fast as their impact fades quickly. Number 3. Markets don't discount the same news twice. This was a game changer for me. The market doesn't react to the same news twice with the same intensity. If an event hits once, the market shakes. If it comes again, the market shrugs it off. Example. Remember the Russia-Ukraine war? In 2022, when Russia attacked, oil prices shot to $130 and markets crashed. But recently, when Ukraine counterattacked, the market barely blinked. Why? Because it had already discounted the tension. My story. In 2024, when tariff news came up, I almost sold some stocks. But then I remembered this news was already out there. I checked my charts and saw the market had priced it in. Instead of selling, I bought some quality stocks, and that decision made me a tidy profit. Lesson. Don't react to repeat headlines. The market is smart. It only discounts news once. Number 4. When markets go illogical, that's your moment. Example. In 2020, during COVID, oil prices went negative. Imagine that. Baap re! Would anyone produce oil and give it away for free? No way. That was the market's extreme fear, and it was the perfect time to buy oil related stocks. My story. I was eyeing an oil company stock back then. Everyone was panicking, but I checked my charts. The stock was at rock bottom. It couldn't go lower. I took a small risk and bought. 3 months later, that stock was up 50%. Lessons. When markets hit illogical extremes like negative oil prices, it's a signal of a bottom. Don't panic, buy the dip. 5. The magic of sentiment indicators. Here's a golden secret. Understand crowd psychology. Prices move before news because markets are driven by emotions, fear, greed, hope. How to spot it? Technical indicators like momentum divergence, RSI, or advanced decline ratios. Sentiment data. Check FII, DII, or pro-client positions. If everyone's on one side, long or short, the market is at an extreme. Oil as an indicator. Oil prices are a great gauge for geopolitical risks. A sudden spike in oil often signals fear and a potential reversal. Example, recently with the Israel-Iran tension, oil prices spiked 10%. I checked my charts, there was momentum divergence. The price was rising, but the strength was fading. I took a short position on oil-related stocks, and that trade was a super hit. Lesson. Learn to read charts and sentiment indicators. When everyone's scared, be the smart one and look for opportunities. 6. Different strategies for investors and traders. Investors. If you're in for the long haul, use events to your advantage. Buy quality stocks when the market is in panic mode. Be patient, markets always recover. Traders, you need to act fast. Use technical setups and sentiment data. Set trades before the news hits and book profits when it does. My story. I started as an investor but slowly learned trading. In 2024, when tariff news was brewing, I took a short-term trade. I set my position before the announcement and booked profits right after. It was my first big trading win, and it felt amazing. 7. Practical tips to start today. Here are some practical tips you can use right away. 1. Don't fear news. Study every news item. If it's been discussed for months, the market's already priced it in. 2. Learn charts. Master basic indicators like RSI, moving averages, and volume. They'll tell you when the market's at an extreme. 3. Watch oil. Oil is a great geopolitical risk indicator. If it spikes suddenly, look for a reversal opportunity. 4. Check sentiment. Look at FII, DII positions. If everyone's on one side, think opposite. 5. Be patient. Don't rush during events. Wait for extreme fear to buy. My advice, spend 1 to 2 hours a week studying markets. Read news, check charts, and track sentiment. This small effort can make you a star investor or trader. A heartfelt request. Friends, this podcast was straight from my heart to yours. I shared my journey, my lessons, and my excitement to help you turn every market pulse into an opportunity. If you loved this episode, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. See you next time with another story, another lesson, and tons of energy. Until then, stay smart in the markets, spread love, and keep shining. Namaste.